create a broadcast in my synchronous class. So if we're going to create a broadcaster synchronous class, it will just go live to your group. For example, I have here group 8. So first you have to put there the title of your class. What I'm entering here is the module number or the topic or the content. For example, we have how to use StreamYard. Okay, for example, this is our topic, how to use StreamYard. So you have to describe here lesson about how to manipulate the StreamYard, including the basic features of StreamYard. Okay, and then just create broadcast. You're not yet live because you still need to set up things in this StreamYard. So again, for StreamYard, it is just free for that 20 hours. That is why also I fused or I joined the classes so that I can maximize the 20 hours or I can fit the 20 hours free of StreamYard. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, you can unmute. Yan. Hi. So I'll be recording this. Labas mga bashers, charot. Okay, so in this case, if you can see, you can edit your name here kung masyadong mahaba. So, pwede mong palitan, Ma'am Ganda. Yan. Or, you can just write your surname. Yes, and as you can see here on the mic part, it's not yet working. You will notice that it's not, the colors is not rising up or there is no movement in this part. So, what you need to do is to, set it up. So, let's go with audio because the camera is already working. So, we're going to set up the audio and find microphone, Realtek High Definition. That is my audio here in my laptop. So, now you can see that there is a change in color here. So, it's now moving. It means that our microphone is now working. So, you can also set up the background. Okay. You can set up the background. Pasensya na, hindi ako nakapag-mock up. Bagong ligo lang ako. Okay, so you can set up the background if you would like to use the background here. So, may ready na background. So, yung isa yung parang sala sa bahay and the other one is the bricks. So, you have to choose your background. So, your wall must be green or blue. So, yun lang yung napipick up niya. That is also one reason I chose green background or green wall for me to be able to use the green screen. Medyo natatagalan lang siya. Try natin tong brick. Yun. Okay? Diba? I already have red bricks. If you wanted to have, cozy, we want to have this feeling of, hi, this is my home. Or kung di kayo masyado nagagandahan sa inyong background, you can use it. But then again, your wall must be painted blue or green. And if you want to change it, and if you have some background sa inyong laptop, pwede nyo naman gamitin. Just upload background. Change it. Tingnan natin kung magagawa nating ma-change. Tingnan natin dito. Okay, for example, I have here natin pick. Okay, for example, tigers. Like yon. Tapos say background. Upgrade, but yan, let's see. Oh, yan ay tiger. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yan. Aking mga alaga. Okay. Yon. So, you can change your background if you have medyo bumilis ng konti yung aking laptop. Nakapagbura ko, no? Okay, let's now, ayan, may options ka, whether your wall is green or blue. Okay, and then, everything now is working, mic is working. So, let's enter Broadcast Studio. Okay, in this part, okay, so add to stream. You're not yet part of the stream. You just need to drag your face there. Yan. Add to stream. So, yan na. Naka-add to stream na tayo. We have the background there. And because we are using the free StreamYard, so may logo sa StreamYard. If you don't like StreamYard logo, edi magbayad tayo. Ganon. So, that is $20 a month. Or around 1,000 pesos. Okay. And now, so hindi pa rin tayo naka-live niyan because we are not yet clicking the go live here. So, what do we need to do is, kung may isi-share tayong, yan, pwede naman tayo mag-live. So, meron dito mga, okay, so yon. So, wala pa tayo sa live. Hindi pa tayo nakakita sa FB. And ito, tulad ng sinabi ko, kung saan natin connect na FB, that is the only group where or who can see us. Dun lang. So, hindi yan, it's still may privacy pa din. Kasi, kung sino lang yung nasa group, sila lang naman yung makakakita. Diba? Okay. So, yon. And then, you can choose your, your, dyan. Yan. Pag magpe-present ka, pwedeng ayan. Kung may pine-present ka na, if you are two, then, etong isa. Kung may group discussion kayo, you can invite, if you want to invite guests in the screen, pwede sila mag-invite kahit wala silang StreamYard account. So, even though they don't have StreamYard account, you just have to copy the link. Copy mo lang yung link. Kung mabilis-bilis yung laptop mo, pwede ka naman dito mag-open kasi ng Facebook, diba? Facebook, pag naka-go live na. Okay, let's try it. Go live. Go live na ba tayo? Screen share muna. So, we have here different pala. You can see the comments here. Pag may nag-comment dyan. So, you will see the comments of your viewers. We also have banners. You can type their banners. Pwede ka mag-type ng mga banner mo dyan. Then, brand. If you have a brand. Yan, pwedeng bubble, pwedeng block, pwedeng default, pwedeng minimal. Ano ba mangyayari dyan? Ayan. Ito kasi bubble yan. And, yung logo, syempre, nandyan yan. Gusto mo ba mag-add ng logo? Ayan yung minimal. Wait lang. Bagal kasi ng laptop ko eh. So, ganito yung minimal. Ganito yung default. Yan. Para mas maganda yung minimal. If you would like to have another logo or overlay, yan. May ganyang overlay. Pwede naman ding wala niyan. Yan. Basta may logo ng StreamYard. Ewan ko lang kung pwede mag-upload ng logo. See what you get by upgrading. You can have it kapag doon ka sa may bayad. You can add logo. And we have video clips. May countdown. Pwede natin yan. Yan, kikita nyo guys, signal ko, ang hina. Connection is unstable, kaya internet talaga namin din may problema. Nawawala-wala. Okay, tanggalin na natin video clip. Private chat, may private chats. Okay, and then you can share your screen. You can share a video file if you have it on your laptop, or you can share your screen. When you share your screen, you can share it window only. Or screen on, balik tayo sa comments. Yan. Share our screen. Yan, naghang na nga ako kasi unstable lang aking internet connection. Share screen. Yon. So, you can choose what are you going to share. Yan. Ready to go live. When you go live, ganyan naka-set up na. So, ito, nasa baba pa. Yan. Okay. So, we are now live. Yan, live na tayo.
Let's see if
Sa
we are
ating
now live.
rinig na rinig. Okay. Yan. So, then we can share our screen. Pwede ito yung ating layout. Share screen. You can just share a window. Okay, so ganun lang po siya kadali. Then, after the synchronous session, that will be in the FB forever, in your FB group. So, mas madali na siyang i-back read ng mga estudyante natin if they would like to hear again the lesson, or if they would like to watch again the lesson, or if in case that they have not been able to attend the synchronous class, it will be much easier for them to go back or to find it. Unlike in Google, so Google is also recorded, it is saved, but they still need to download it, or they still need to go to Google first. But this one is much easier to find. And if you will notice, if you will watch a recorded video of in Google Meet, mas maliit siya ng konti. Yon. So, that's it. So, yon. So, meron pa tayong mga susunod na video about StreamYard and paano siya gamitin. If you have some questions, you can just type it down on the comment box below. Okay? Thank you. So, I have here one of the sample of my synchronous session in my grade 8. As you can see, they are still active on the comment box, and they can still watch it over and over again. Okay, thank you.